Hey, bunny. There's a bunny right there. You see it? Right there. Good little bunny. City's fucking blazing. It's fucking buzzing today. Too bad it's supposed to rain. Damn, freaking crown the crane soon. Hear that? Dang. Alright, it's starting to rain and I'm tired of walking, so for now, yeah. Not very big, but it's not too foggy. Gotta make sure I get something right before it starts fucking raining for real. Brick Street. That'd be nice. Oh, sunny 10 minutes ago, and now so much for a sesh. Wonderful. That's how my session's going right now. I'm a dead flower. All the fountain spots are like, see them grates? Oh. Another spot, man, rip. Let's stop and look at this. And damn, I'm hella thirsty. Damn, I'm so thirsty. We could really go for a Flamin' hot Mountain Dew. Not a sponsor. Look at this fucking rain. Got caught in the rain. It looks like session's pretty much over. Not so bad. It's like not spicy at all though. It's the next day. Yesterday you saw me go to UW Tacoma and it was all rainy and stuff. I'm in a different part of downtown. I'm gonna try to get the rail challenge done and maybe that that wet wall I did in the wetness is real. Should be pretty fun. Just unless it rains, it might rain again, but I'm gonna get to it. Now I'm just T-dome, right there, right near, right there. See what I'm saying, man? Beautiful. I just get to see it. gonna save this for when Kelsey's here at the POV. It's a little bit bigger drop too. Thinking we're gonna bounce out this as well, do something fun. But I'm gonna go to a different spot and do a little hit and run real quick. Bear and eagle. This is gonna be the best one. Alright, my 2 hours parking is about to expire. And so is my freaking shin muscle, so I'm head out. I'm gonna call it the episode there.